Here are the little troublemakers. They're 6 weeks old today. I told them, I said, I can't believe you guys are so big and so old already. Time is flying by with these guys. I'm gonna note that you see this little purple collar girl. She is actually from my Holly litter, and she's going home in a couple days, but she is, our Rainee litter is keeping her company since all of her siblings have left already. So this one right here, this is Sterling, our only little girl in the litter. Buddy.
I didn't even
Come on, pups. I know. Come on, pups. Come on. Oh, those are good puppies.
oh, little chunkers running at me.
I know, right? Look at those little puppies. Oh my goodness. Hi, buddy. Well, you guys are pretty busy little puppies, aren't you?